Hi, my name is Barry Sorensen. I'm one of the Radius Sales Account Managers, and I'd like to talk to you today about one of my favourite features of the Radius Private Cloud, which is the ability to access the cloud from any device. So the thin client is like a normal PC. It starts up, goes through its Windows boot process, and once it's logged in, we'll be able to access the cloud. This is the local desktop on the thin client, and now I'm going to use this to access my virtual desktop in the cloud by the terminal server shortcut on my local desktop here. This brings me to my network logon screen, and I log on as normal, which then launches my cloud desktop. And here I have all my normal business day-to-day applications: my email, our ticketing system, our Sage accounts, our internet access, our file shares, and Microsoft Teams, among other applications. So now I'm working from home, and I want to pick up where I left off and use my virtual desktop, which is located in the cloud. In order to access the Radius Private Cloud, I need to launch the secure VPN client to establish a connection to that server and that environment. Launch the client, choose remote access. Now the VPN connection is established. I can minimize that, and now I can launch my Radius Cloud environment. Same as in the office, I log on with my network credentials. And now I'm back on my normal work desktop with the same applications where I left off from when I was in the office. I have the same connectivity, the same access, the same speed, the same performance as I did when I was in the office working on the dual screen setup. Incidentally, if you do happen to have a dual screen setup at home, this will work just the same as if you were in the office. So I'm out on the road, and I've stopped off for a coffee, and I've just got a call from a customer who's looking for some information. I don't have my laptop with me, it's in the car, but I have brought my iPad, and now I can access the Radius Private Cloud via here. Once you have an internet connection established, you need to launch the VPN connection to the cloud. We do this on the iPad settings here. I have my credentials saved in here, but they are protected on the encrypted iPad with my fingerprint. Once we see the VPN connection is established, we launch a remote desktop session through the app here. Again, I have my credentials saved, but again, they are protected. I have full access to my virtual desktop in the cloud and access all the applications from email, quotation systems, accounts, file shares, everything as if I was sitting at the office desk. So it's completely accessible regardless of my location, the device I'm using, or the type of internet connection I'm using, whether it be a hotspot, Wi-Fi, or a home connection.